Yeah, man, people. Yeah, calabash right out of today, you know.
Wagwan
Wagwan
Dalve.
Dalby. And
Yeah.
if the parcel so you can check in and link me too. And me get contact out and get people no one and see all the cup them here too. The glass them. I we are going to drink water out of too. So see it Wagwan Dalby, calabash, you know, must hear about it. Yeah, active outside now, calabash board. Remember, if you want one of them here to purchase, you link up, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Yes, sir. Wagwan Dalby.
Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, beautiful viewers and subscribers. So we are going to get a few breadfruits. Yeah. Philip looking at his farm. Yeah. Nice. Look good. Yeah, man. I get some breadfruit this morning. Yes, this hour? Oh, yeah, chocha. I climb a mango tree. Yeah, man, me I forget a new vine. I'm planting right there, so you follow the mango tree go. Alright, so should I get two brush in the morning? See how much you can get. There's the spinaches. Oh, well, come up though.
See if we can put some manure around them, make them come up
Mm-hmm.
more and
Come up more.
put a little harbour.
Yeah. Alright, so try to get two breadfruit in the morning, yeah. I'm sure I'm gonna roast them with it.
And you can drop off.
I'm gonna drop off, man. I'm good at the behind to leave.
And you can drop off, you drop off. So it's still. You can go with your boot.
With your boat? No, sir. Eh?
Kill me foot up there, you know, go with your boot.
So, basically, I'm gonna kill your foot if you don't go with your boat.
Boy, I'm boot was like me have a tree.
Take out a boat. If I go over now, take off my shoes. I show the cinnamon tree. See the view? It's a pretty bridge up there now. Oh, look around there now. Oh, that one there also. I see it too. And then that. Ripe. You see it too. Yeah. We have a little lucky 3 years but it not start beer yet. Well, it beer already in a but it seems like it beer now in this area. I say Ackee up on it in the top?
Yeah, hold it for young one.
Oh. Philippa say young one up there.
Why you look at the car sheet from there?
I show me the under tree. And then the upper top. But to the on the next tree. So we not get no roasting on our first tree and so we climb. So the on the next tree now. So I stick a lunch out and all. I stick lunch out. That is it. I pick that one over the old towards a breadfruit tree. Or to my side, the breadfruit tree, the right also. Yeah, that one they can go on. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Nice.
I just one more there.
Yeah, one.
This one?
No. It's up top. Panda see him limb there. You see it now? I'll pick one more from the tree. I'm good to go. Yeah. That is it. I'm gonna pick them over now. Alright. This is what's up. Yeah. Breadfruit. Next one there. Next one there. Oh, that one there big. That one there big, man. Fresh. Tarzan alone the right as I swim, you know. Swim. Swim and see what I go on. You know, swim. Alright, so I go and get some stick. Yeah, so Nick Black's outside. I go and get some fire stick on the river side, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah. Next, brother up also. Malik. Get some fire stick on the river side, yeah? Don't know anything come down. Yeah, man. That is it. What? So we are getting some fire stick on the base. Alright, so Grung got a boat to get the Ackees clean. Yeah, so she'll pick them out of the pod first and then get them clean. Tarzan a try swim again. So I get them chop up now, get the fire stick them chop up now and get the fire blazing. Yeah, man. Don't know. Going here. Still there, go and get the Ackee them ready up. Fire side active up here now. You have lighter? Alright, so going here and clean up the Ackee them now. Yeah, so she finally finished take out the Ackee them out of the pod, so she has start clean up her now and thing. Yeah. That is it. Get the fire light up now so we can roast the breadfruit them. Alright, so fire active up now. Big breadfruit, you know? Fresh. Yeah, so the fire ready up now. Look like you ready now, like you can take some breadfruit for the fire. And,
Good thing many teaching how to catch fire.
Teach over teach fire. Yeah, man, so you don't know, so Nick already got through and cut out the stem.
Yeah.
And teach at 1x or something. I don't know why I'm choose X, but I normally put a cross. But look like a X.
Just call the cross here, man.
I put you want to vote. You vote for breadfruit. A breadfruit, you vote for. Alright, so if I active.
Turn it down now?
Turn it down?
Yeah.
Turn it down?
Yeah.
In a fire?
Yeah.
Alright.
That me a talk about.
Yeah, man. I don't know power in I know power in a
Yeah.
The breadfruit is big. So.
Listen, I want to eat two of them there, but.
Yeah, active one. Yeah, so the breadfruits, them up on the fire. Yeah, well, one of them breadfruit I done roasting because you don't know, so we belly hungry. Yeah, man, so when I breadfruit, them roll out of fire. When I breadfruit, them roll out of fire, guys. Yeah, we have to get it back in the fire, you know. Yeah. Get it back up in the fire. My thing come down.
Yeah, man, guys. You know, it's your girl, Grungy. Today I'm here, Dalvi out here. Dalvi come past to and do one video. If one away riverside, yeah. You know, he say I do some breadfruit with redder in a Ackee. You know that I got epic, guys. So we have here eat Ackee in all different type of way. With all different type of meat. Yeah. So me they are going to pick out the Ackee the pan same way. I know only power no more to run for this, you know, because you know more people can't get them here. And it's good. I see no phone no comment, you know, say, oh, no can't get good breadfruit, you know, but you know, if you come out Portland.
Or the boat land.
Yeah, where the boat land.
That is it.
Because we have breadfruit and 3 times eat. To me first say, we have fair roast breadfruit and swim. And
yeah, one June outside and one grungy boy this, you know. They are swimming on the river side. Yeah, the rest are youths them.
yeah.
Yeah. Active on the river side. Yeah, so grungy are going fun fire.
Too much I eat. Because I'm on the phone and say I'm pregnant and they're on the fireboat. To me, I can't lazy up myself.
Yeah, lazy up yourself,
I
man.
do things up for me alone, did lazy. I have to do things to myself. And then I soon go take a swim because I see me coming on my bad suit.
What a boil up now? Let's see the Ackee. Yeah, man, so you have to go in now. Yeah, man, just go and make that bubble up. You put in a little Maggi all-purpose seasoning, you know, because we never really work with no salt. So, put a little of that in there, prep it up, you know?
Season kind of soak up, you know.
Yeah. So yeah, just stay tuned. Don't move a muscle in it. You don't know, say, when the pot come off of the fire, you don't know, say, you're yammins.
And that shirt, the wagwan, Dalvi.
Check in for the Ackee now. Ackee a bubble up. We can't take them off here now.
Wagwan Dalvi, that's a say people if you like and subscribe and share.
Ackee them ready now, so I go ahead and take off the Ackee off the fire. Ackee them cook ready. Come now. Ready to go. Fix up this, you know, so the rest of them can finish roast out, you know. After done cook before the breadfruit, done roast. Yeah. Alright, brush them now fire, soon ready to take off, you know, so grungy go ahead and give them a next little turn. But they turn them a couple times off camera already, you know, so as you can see, soon time to take them out. Yeah, man. That is it. Yeah. Yeah, so we get the weathering clean.
Yeah.
Man.
Strip enough, you know.
Yeah. Jonah and Tarzan and make a little pool right here, so. Tarzan put on him at same time. Alright, so get the breadfruit them out of fire now. Yeah man, so we just ease them off over here, so. Roll that out back. Weathering clean up here now. What you say, Grungy?
Yeah, a long time it has soak it ready.
Ready. Alright.
Ackee, breadfruit, no more to go run water.
Seasoning wash and cut up. Yeah. One it back to outside.
Riverside setting.
Make the water go and dry out, then you know the oil go purine. Then you season, natural seasoning. Get to in rendering active. Keeping your strainer off the water for the Ackee. You never remember his strainer. So I take my time, you know, and waste the Ackee. You see?
Yeah, active, ready. Alright, get in the island pot here now. Alright.
Same time going you got top on the breadfruit them now.
Same time going you go start. Here, right how we go. Peel up the breadfruit then. You feel like orange, you know, people.
So you're bad?
Yeah. Everybody feels breadfruit different. Maybe they want to like a yellow at people breadfruit, yellow. Yeah man, Ackee go in.
Alright, so you would them get them calabash. Yeah man. What go and all the calabashes. I'm gonna wait for them food, you know. Yeah man, hold it up now. Yeah.
Hello.
Line up for your food them, you know. I don't know. Right, wrong here, share out breadfruit like some African, you know.
Same time, come.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes, sir. Go and dalve.
Yeah man, that is it.
Where Pattara now go?
Alright. And say thanks. Tarzan. That is it, my G.
When we get to me.
This one now with sauce of breadfruit. Go get him made. Yeah, they are eat sauce of breadfruit. That's a my G. Active. Alright. Yes, I go on. Tastes nice. Alright. Yes, I go on, you what? Nice. Yeah, man, it's nice. On the riverside. Yes, sir. Nice. Yes, sir, now, Jonah boy. Yeah, man. Yes, sir, go on for your food. Nice? Yes, sir. Start now. Nice. Alright. Yeah, active outside now, calabash bowl. Remember, if you want one of them here to purchase, you link up, you know what I mean? Number go up on the screen.
Yeah.
Active out here, so.
That is it,
Ackee
man.
and red ring with roast breadfruit.
Brawling.
Nice.
Yeah, man, people. A calabash right out of today, you know.
Wagwan Dalve. Yeah.
And the parcel, so you can check in and link me too. And me get contact out, you get people no one and see all the cup them here too. The glass them. I we are going to drink water out of too. You so see it Wagwan Dalve, calabash, you know, must hear about it.
Alright.
And they play it. So no big up on yourself and stay and no like, subscribe and share.
Yes, sir. Eat up your own. Food done. Just that left in a dish. Yes, sir, go on. Yes, sir, go on.